Hello, welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY pedicure today for you guys. This is how I do mine when I don't get to the shop, and because of Corona, I like to do them at home. This is some bubble bath that I got from Dollar Tree, some baby oil that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm just swishing that all in there, and then I let my feet soak in there for about 10 minutes. But you can do longer, it just depends on you. And I'm going to be popping in and out with my voiceover so you can enjoy the music, this calming sound music. But right here, I'm just getting all that dead skin off my toenails. I'm going in with, I think that's called a cuticle pusher. And then I gave up on that, and then I just started clipping my toenails because the cuticle pusher wasn't getting that polish off because it's gel polish, so it's a little bit harder to get off, and I didn't feel like putting cotton balls on it and soaking it off. So yeah, so right now I'm just trimming my toenails down because they were long, because I have been neglecting my feet and I shouldn't have, but I'm gonna do better. So I found using a file gets it off pretty easy, and I'm just gonna do that on all my toes that has polish still on it. So here's where I actually started getting the dead skin off, and I had a lot on my toes. Like, it didn't even make no sense how much I had on my toes, but I definitely got it all up, and that tool definitely did wonders. And I switched from both sides. One has like a pointy side on it, and I usually use that to get underneath my nails. But yeah, don't y'all see that dead skin? It came up good though. Soaking your feet definitely makes it easier to get the dead skin up. In my opinion, some people, like to do this step dry, but do what you know. And I got like I don't know what it is underneath some of my toenails, but it's like a dead piece of skin that, not dead piece of skin, but like a piece of skin that sticks, and I just can't get it out. Like, it sticks to my toenail, if that makes sense. So I got these, I think they're called nippers. I got them from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna nip away the skin in the front. These do work pretty good for them to be $1, and they sharp too, because last time I used them, like, I cut the top of my foot because they were so sharp, and I didn't think they were going to be sharp because they're from Dollar Tree, but yeah, they're sharp, so be careful. Just a heads up. And then, so I'm going in with this sugar scrub. I'm just using products that I already got at home, and this was a sugar scrub that I got, so I'm just trying to exfoliate all the dead skin off. And I got that sugar scrub from Walmart. And you want to make sure you get between those toes. And then right here, I was done with everything, so I just dried my feet off. And right here, I'm just filing them the way that I like to. I like my toenails kind of square, so I was trying to go for a square look. I don't know if I nailed it, but I tried my best. And this nail file I did get from Sally's. I think, I don't know, I can't remember how much they were, but they weren't much. I think they were no more than $2. And Zamir, stop yelling. I'm doing a voiceover. No, that's my son. Like, he gonna occasionally pop in and out of this video because I'm trying to record and he just don't care. But yeah, I'm just filing away, trying to get that perfect square look. Then I'm gonna file the top just a little bit. I seen YouTubers do it, so I tried it out. In this file, I'm gonna get a better one, but I got this one from, I think, either Dollar General or Family Dollar. And don't waste your money. Don't get it. It doesn't work good. I feel like the drill bits would work good, but the actual file, it was just horrible. But I am gonna get a better drill. But I'm just trying to get a little bit more dead skin because I did have just a little bit down in them creases that I couldn't really get. Because that cuticle pusher, I think that's what it's called, that thing is sharp. Like, I'd have cut myself. Excuse me, I'm not doing this voiceover again. But yeah, that cuticle pusher, I think that's what it's called. I definitely cut myself, so I was trying to be gentle with it. So I'm just going in with this one, trying to get a little bit more off. And it got a little bit off, but with a better drill, it would have did so much better. So right here, this is the base coat. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer of this to all my toes. And this came in a set that I had got from Amazon a long time ago. And I've had these polishes plus the base coat, top coat. I've had it for like almost 2 years, I want to say. So it definitely lasts a long time. But I want to get a better one because this one is just okay. But I feel like there are better polishes and base coats and top coats than this brand that I got. But it does work good. It serves its purpose. So I'm just going to let that cure for 60 seconds while I do the other foot. And I chose white. So I'm just going to put that on while the other feet is curing. And I tried to do French tips, but that's how it turned out. So I was just like, whatever, just paint them all white. And painting my toes are like hard for me. It's hard for me to paint without making a mess, but I did clean it up the best that I could because I get very impatient at this part, so I was just ready to get done. But I wasn't too worried about making the polish like super perfect because I did do 2 coats of white. So I'm just painting the other foot right now while the other foot is curing. And cleaning that side off a little bit. This is like an alcohol pad that I had. So I'm just trying to clean up a little bit because I am a messy painter. practice does make perfect, so I am going to get better at doing my toenails. Just waiting on it. So I'm just going to switch that over, cure the other foot for 60 seconds. And this is the top coat. So when you get done with your 2 coats of whatever color you choose, you want to put a top coat on. Thin layer. Then cure the top coat for 60 seconds and do the other foot. So I found these 3D like little sticker things. So I was like, let me, put something on my toe, because it was just kind of playing with the white. So I was just doing something. I couldn't figure out what design, so I just did what I did right here, what y'all see. It came out kind of cute though. I like it though. And I did put another top coat on top of the big toe, on top of the sticker thing, so they won't peel off. And I did that, and I'm just going in with some lotion right now. I got that from Dollar Tree as well. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree. They do be having Dove products in there. So yeah, I'm getting in between the toes because your girl was ashy. But we got it together though. And I'm just rubbing my feet a little bit. Kind of feel kind of good. Like I need to go get a foot massage somewhere. And then right here, I'm just going to go in with some cuticle oil. Put a little shine to the toes. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. That's from some commercial. And yes, this is the final product. It came out really, really good. Even though, your girl was a little messy with the polish, it still came out really, really cute. And I definitely will be doing more of these on my channel if you guys want to see it. But yes, this is just I was trying to get a good angle so y'all can see it, but it just wasn't giving what I needed it to give on this camera. But yes, thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for my next video.